noticed that. I don't know what that is. I am going to be doing a Target unboxing, and I wanted to talk also about these straws that I got. I've got them off of Amazon because the plastic straws take years and years to disintegrate and after you throw them away. Well, I started looking into what was a good alternative, and I found these stainless steel straws on Amazon. They come with cleaners. There's 8 straws. There's the straight ones, and there is the curved ones. I'm currently using the curved one because I like it because it doesn't feel so much like a weapon. When you drink it and there's ice in there, it does get cold, so if you have a warm drink, just a heads up, it'll probably get warm. But they are $7.99 on Amazon if you have Amazon Prime, free shipping. It's not a bad deal, and it's better for the environment. So I just wanted to let y'all know about that. I also talk about it, I think, in my other video that'll be posted after this one, doing this look on my eyes. Okay, now to the unboxing. There's 2 boxes today from Target Beauty. Hello, Quench, and Glow is the first one I'm going to do. On the back of this is a $3 off coupon for $15 beauty purchases, and it lets you know what everything is. These boxes cost, I believe, $7 this month. Don't hold me to it. It might be $10 if you have a Target card. I believe the shipping is free. Okay, results in 20 minutes. Energize and awaken and invigorate. Mist Spa pre-treated facial sheet mask. I love sheet masks lately. Rose gold foil peel off mask by Mask Bar helps moisturize dry skin. There we go. So you can see the words. Okay. Oh, I love this. I use this once a week on my hair. I believe 2 days ago was the last time, and my hair still looks shiny. It's Tresemme Keratin Smooth Deep Smoothing Mask. Their other one you could have to use like every day, I think it says, but this one is only once a week. So I use mine every Monday, I believe. They're really good. $1.99 at Walmart, and probably $1.99 at Target. Since this is a Target box, let's go ahead and say what it costs at Target. Okay, this is a hydration recovery aerating gel mask for all skin types by Lumine Finland. Never heard of them. That's interesting. Okay, and A-Cure Welcome to Skin Wellness Brilliantly Brightening Biocellulose Mask. It's got niacinamide and kale for all skin types. It's 100% vegan, 0% questionable. It's got all those free things. Cruelty-free, paraben-free. So, this is a mask box. That's not bad. That is not bad at all. Since the seasons are changing, fall and winter kind of get dry air. In other places, I think here in Texas, it's always dry air. Okay, the next one is Hello Beauty Reboot. Summer will miss you, but time to reboot our beauty routine. So we're primed just in time for autumn. And this one has another $3 off coupon on the back of it as well. Okay. First thing, L'Oreal Paris Voluminous Primer Base for your mascara. I love this. I have a full-size one that I used, but I messed up on my eyes. I'm sorry, I didn't mean to look crazy at y'all. Okay, Extra Strength OGX Refresh and Restore Coconut Miracle Oil Dry Shampoo. Sample size. Sorry. I will let y'all know what that smells like at another time, since I seem to have lost the lid. It just popped right off. Y'all saw that, right? I didn't break it. Okay. Sorry. Okay. Weleda since 1921. Never heard of it though. The gripper this has a little gripper thing on it. I don't know if it helps keep it inside the bottle in case something gets squished in the mail or what, but it's a rose scented creamy body wash, but I wanted to let y'all know what it smelled like, if it's too strong or if it's okay. It definitely smells like rose. If you like that really strong rose smell, this would be perfect for you. Alright. Next is charcoal and magnesium Schmidt's mineral enriched deodorant. It doesn't really have a smell. And it's clear when it goes on. So those are swatches from the last video. Alright. Clean Infusing Hydrated Glow. Oh, Cleansing Infusion Hydrating Glow Crushed Ginger Extract Facial Cleanser by Olay. I've been loving their stuff lately. I never used it before, but I've been liking it lately, so I'm interested in trying that. Nivea Shea Daily Body Lotion 48-hour Deep Moisturizing Shea Butter. I love shea butter lotions. They smell so good. Okay, and I've had this before. I love this. This is Garnier Skin Active Soothing Facial Mist in rose water, and I really love it. This is a tiny, tiny little sample, but I'm getting the full size. Yes, I am. Okay, and I wanted to talk about the giveaway. I have decided that everything will be posted on October 1st. My birthday was actually 2 weeks ago, but I'm making it a birthday giveaway. Anyways, by the time I thought about it, it was too late to do it. But the birthday giveaway is going to be a gift card of your choice, Ulta or Sephora. I could email it to you once the winner is chosen. I could email it to them, the card, or I could go to the store and buy it and mail it to you in the U.S. mail. International mail. This is a good way for my giveaway to be international also. I hate keeping people out. But it's going to be on Instagram and here. And you just have to follow one or the other. If you want to follow both, lovely. I would love that. But you don't have to. I'm going to figure out how to do it where if I could get a generator that'll let me do it that way. So I'm figuring out all the ins and outs, but I hope you like this unboxing, and everyone have a lovely day. Bye.